Hi guys, I'm Ollie.
And I'm Holly.
Today we will be showing you an experience me and Holly had at a certain place.
This sketch is going to be called The Human Seagull, and it's based off of someone we know who, we're not going to say their name, but we're going to call them HH.
Wigs are uncomfortable.
Oh hey HH.
You alright? Yeah?
Yeah, how are you?
Hungry. Really hungry.
Okay, well, we've got some food, so.
Yeah.
Can you stop staring at my food, please?
Oh, yeah, sorry.
I'm going. Oh, I forgot my stuff.
Oh, yeah, you did. Yeah.
I'm just going to chuck these in the bin, I don't really want them.
I'll have some.
Okay.
Mum, is that you? Yeah, it's happened again. No, not that. I've run out of food. Yeah, I don't know what to do. I need food. Well, obviously I've nicked my friend's food. What do you think I am? I'm not just going to sit here hungry, am I? No, Mum, I'm not going to eat the wrappers. Not a blooming garbage bin. Well, 1 second. Yeah, there's definitely no food left. Oh, Mum, do you know what? You're really annoying me. I told you that there's no food left. So why aren't you listening to me? Look, there's no freaking food there. Oh, do you know what? I'm coming home and I'm gonna eat you.
So guys, hope you enjoyed that.
Yeah, it has scarred me for life doing that with that wig.
I think it suited you.
Thanks. Thanks a lot.
Should wear it more often. All the links will be down in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, comment, that sort of stuff you do on YouTube.
Yep, all the YouTube stuff.
Follow our Twitters to see the latest stuff that we're doing. And watch our own YouTube accounts.
Yep. See you soon.
See you guys soon.